Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing, and we're back with another video. We have an unboxing right here. Without any further ado, let's just go ahead and see what's in the box. I'm actually looking forward to seeing what's inside of here. Alright, so we're getting this open. It looks like, okay, I see what we got right here. Boom. Okay, so let's throw that off to the side. Let's see what else comes in the box. Right here we have packaging. Right here it says wireless something. I'm not quite sure what's gonna be here. Oh, snap. Okay, so it says wireless headset right there. What's inside of here? There's like a sticker in here. So we get these TWS stickers. What is this? This is QR codes for, you said, dear friend, we expect 5 stars. Please contact us if any issues. Okay, cool, boom. Let's put that off to the side. Right here, we do see it says wireless headset, touch control design. You can see that there is like this, the little, capsule right here, just like my last video. These are the Bluetooth 5.0 true wireless, high quality sound, multi-device compatible, comfortable to wear, smart voice assistant, and touch control design. On the other side, you can see right here it says it works with iPhone, compatible with tablet. Also, it does say bilateral true wireless stereo headset, true wireless, touch control, auto turn on and pairing, voice command, all day power, up to 6 hours playtime, and extra 18 hours in the charging case. Wow, that's insane. That's nuts. Smart noise cancellation, superior quality wireless sound and calls within the box. Charging case, 3 sizes of ear tips, micro USB cable, and a the manual. So let's go ahead, open this up. So we're gonna go ahead, pop that. Whoa, this is dope packaging. You can see right here it does say ease of use, bilateral true wireless stereos. Let's go ahead. So you get this plastic that you pull up. This is high quality stuff here. This is dope. And then you can see we do get these 2 earbuds that look like the AirPods but with ear tips inside. So that's gonna be dope. Then you can see, let's just go ahead and lift this up. You do get the capsule right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Take off the plastic wrap. Lift this up. You can see there's left on the right side and the right on the left side. So let's go ahead and take these out and take off the tape right here that's on them. Let's put this one. This one says right. We're gonna go ahead and place that inside. There's actually tape on here. Put that right one in there. You could see it turn green immediately, so that it turned green right away. Let's go ahead and take the left one and do the same thing right here. Take off the tape, and you're supposed to be able to get auto pairing, binaural calls, meaning you can use both for phone calls. This one just turned on. I accidentally turned that one on right here, but we're charging them right now. So let's just put these off to the side. You can see the lights on there. It's actually a green light. Also, you can see that the LEDs are on both are green. I actually accidentally turned one on, so you can see one is actually on. We're gonna put this off to the side, see what else comes inside of here. So let's go ahead and lift this up. Inside of here we do get, there's no extra tips. Where's the extra tips? I feel cheated. Where's my extra ear tips? Okay, so we do get the user manual right here. It says all the instructions that you need will be in here. Also, this packaging is just deluxe. This is dope. This is sick packaging. Alright, so we're gonna put this back inside of here. The only thing I wish they would have included was some ear tips. Extra, oh wait, I talked too soon. The ear tips are inside of here. So let's go ahead and pop this open. So we do get 2 extra ear tips right there, 2 different styles. We also do get a USB connector right here. So let's go ahead and put this off to the side. The ear tips are, there's gonna be large, medium, and small. I'm gonna go ahead and take my smart device, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Bluetooth. So let me just go ahead and open up the Bluetooth. Let me press this button right here, boom. Now you can see that my other ear pods were connected. Let's go ahead, take this left one, put it in the left ear, and take the right, put it in the right ear. It said connected, right channel, left channel. It said pairing on the left side. You can see the light is blinking right here. So let's go ahead, look for this right here. Here it is, available devices. Let me unlock this one more time. And I'm gonna put JS18. That's the name of this thing. JS18. Let's go ahead, wait for that to pair up. It said your headset is connected. Really dope in my ear because there's a lot of noise cancellation. These also look like AirPods, but with ear grips in them. So they're gonna be like a combination of the AirPods plus the Samsung Galaxy Buds, which is really cool. So let me go ahead and open up Spotify. Let me just see, boom. We're gonna test out the sound quality and the music playback and phone calls. So let me just press play. Holy crap. Wow, that sounds really good. Let me see. So that sounds really good. I can barely hear my own voice right now. That's really good sound quality. This might be the best noise cancellation I've had on earbuds in quite some time now. Now let me turn that up a little bit more. The bass is really good too. The bass is sick. So I definitely give these 2 thumbs up. These gotta be 4.95 out of a scale of 5 when it comes to sound. Noise cancellation is a 5 out of 5 stars. Volume is a 5 out of 5 stars. These are 5 stars all across the boards. I can't even hear myself right now. This is really good sound quality. I think these are the best buds I have right now as far as sound quality. These sound amazing, guys. These are gonna be my go-tos from here on out. So if you tap right 2 times, it switches the song. 1 time it pauses it. 1, 2. And let me just long hold 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so that's the Google Assistant right there when I long hold for 3 seconds. So these are dope. The sound quality is 5 stars all across the boards. These things are the truth, guys. Let me test out YouTube playback real quick. Alright guys, there's no playback latency whatsoever at all. These are a 5 stars out of 5 stars all across the boards. Now let me go ahead and make a quick phone call and I'll wrap up this video. Domino's in the Bronx. Let's see, Boston Road. Okay. You hear me okay? 1 o'clock? Okay, cool. All right, cool. That's good to know. Thank you so much. All right, bye-bye. All right, perfect. Sounded perfect. These are the truth, guys. So I'm gonna listen to these earbuds a little bit more, but let me just play some music. Yeah, these are the truth. Thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Serrano. Make sure you guys stay locked in for more videos just like this. I'll see you guys on the next video, but in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.